Welcome to Glow and Glam Beauty Salon. I am Priya. How can I assist you today? Hi Priya. I would like to book an appointment for a facial and maybe a haircut. I am looking for something relaxing but also refreshing for my skin. You have come to the right place. For facials, we have a few options. Are you looking for something hydrating, anti-aging, or deep cleansing? I think my skin needs some hydration. It's been feeling a bit dry lately. Our Hydra Glow facial would be perfect for you then. It's deeply moisturizing and helps rejuvenate the skin, giving it a natural glow. It's one of our most popular treatments. That sounds exactly like what I need. How long does it take? It's a 60-minute session. We start with a gentle cleanse, followed by a hydrating mask, a soothing massage, and a serum that locks in moisture. Great! And for the haircut, I am thinking of just trimming the ends, but also maybe adding some layers. My hair's feeling a little flat lately. We can definitely help with that. Our stylist Meera specializes in layered cuts. She will give your hair more movement and volume. Do you want to keep it shoulder length? Yes, I don't want to go too short, just something that adds some bounce and makes it easier to style. Perfect. I will schedule both of you. When would you like to come in? Can I get an appointment for tomorrow afternoon? Let me check. We have a 2 p.m. slot available. Would that work for you? Yes, that's perfect. I have booked it for you. You are all set for a Hydra Glow facial and a layered haircut with Meera at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you so much. Do I need to do anything special before the facial? Just make sure your skin is clean without any heavy makeup. And for aftercare, we recommend avoiding direct sunlight for a day and using a good moisturizer to maintain the glow. Got it. I will make sure to follow the instructions. What about the haircut? Any tips for maintaining the layers? For layers, I would suggest using a lightweight mousse or texturizing spray when styling to add volume. Also, a regular trim every 6 to 8 weeks will keep your hair looking fresh. Thanks for the tips, Priya. I'm really looking forward to my appointment. You are very welcome. Anika, we will see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. If you have any questions before then, feel free to call us. I will. Thanks again. See you tomorrow.